Smooth Cut Bob by TressAllure in the color 1426 R10. This is a good one. Smooth Cut Bob is exactly what the name says. It's smooth, it's a bob, it is low density, it is classic, it's timeless, it's not fussy, it's just the perfect bob. If you like this style, you're gonna love Smooth Cut Bob. It's so good. It's got a little bit of a asymmetric cut, very slight. You've got these chin length layers and then a really nice layering right here around the face. Just kind of sweeps back in. Oh, it's so good. This is a really, really good style. Easily tucks behind the ears. Really cute. Let's talk about this color. Okay, so it's not red. It's definitely blonde, but it's really pretty. It's got just the slightest bit of rooting, just ever so gently. The light might even make it look a little bit harsher. We'll get outside with it. It's just a really pretty rooting. This color is just gorgeous. It's creamy and golden. There's caramely colors, brighter blonde colors. Really, really pretty. As far as blondes go, I feel pretty comfortable in this. It's warm enough, it's got caramely enough colors in it. It's not too bright and too like, ooh, doesn't make my skin look like purple. The measurements for Smooth Cut Bob, the Name Brand Wig website says that this front fringe is 7.5, that the crown is also 7.5, and that the nape is 2. So it really is just gonna hug real close to your head back there. Lays really nice. They just did a really good job on this. The Permatease and hair fibers for Smooth Cut Bob. It says that the hair fibers are heat friendly. So you could add a little bit of curl, maybe if you'd like to flip the ends up or just curl it. Everybody says that heat-friendly wigs actually last longer and the hair fibers do better if you apply some heat to them. Maybe just over time as you wear it, if you need to add just a little bit of heat to it to kind of refresh these fibers. Everybody says they last longer if you do apply a little heat to them. The Permatease, a little bit of Permatease, like I feel it right over here. Don't really feel it in the back or even in the nape. So maybe just along the side, a little bit. But this is a really low density style. These hair fibers also just kind of feel medium and denier. They're not super fine, but they're definitely not heavy. So kind of fine to medium, because this is super low density. Oh, I just love it. The Name Brand Wigs website says that it weighs 3.28 ounces, and I believe that. It feels really light. Average weight of most wigs is around 4, so the fact that this is 3.28, yeah, I believe it. It's really, really comfortable. Let's talk about this cap. I have a 22.5-inch circumference head. TressAllure caps normally fit me just fine. Let's take a look at the inside of the cap. You're gonna get a full monofilament top with this one. Lace front, goes all the way back to the ear tabs. Those soft covered ear tabs with metal stays, no extended nape, Velcro adjusters, and then otherwise you have the machine sewn open wefted cap, lots of stretch. Really nice cap, very well done. Okay, I'm gonna hold on to it at the adjusters, let that lace front hit me mid-forehead. Over the occipital bone, back to the hairline. Get the ear tabs. Easy peasy. Okay, so I've talked about the cap and the color, the measurements, the Permatease and the hair fibers. My overall thoughts about Smooth Cut Bob by TressAllure in the color 1426 R10. I love it. This is a fantastic wig. It is effortless, it is classic, it is timeless, it is comfortable. Definitely a workhorse wig, definitely a wear all day, every day kind of style. If you love a bob, you're gonna love this. Absolutely love it. Love what they've done around the face. It's just great. Tuck that right behind, got good coverage. You don't have to worry about tucking it. If you ever get nervous, just pull out a piece of hair. Oh, just love it. Okay, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, do a little chit chat down in the comments. Let me know what you think about Smooth Cut Bob. I want to hear about it. If you have it, have you curled it? Have you put heat on it? Have you washed it? Let us all know down in the comments. Okay, see you in my next video.